check whether the equations are 2x minus 3y is equals to 5 and 4x minus 6y is equals to 15 are consistent. Also verify graphical representation. First of all, we have to observe the given two equations. They are not in standard form. Now we are going to write first of all in standard form. The given equations standard form is 2x minus 3y plus 5. Right side is there, no? Transfer to LHS side, it will change as minus 5 equal to 0. This is the standard form. This is equation 1. Second equation also we should write like this only. 4x minus 6y 15 transfer to LHS side, it will change as minus 15 is equals to 0. This is second equation. Now they are in standard form, means so ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. a1 equals to coefficient of x in the first equation, a1 equals to 2. b1 equals to coefficient of y in the first equation, b1 equals to minus 3. c1 equals to minus 5. c1 equals to minus 5. Like this, a2 equals to coefficient of x in the second equation 4. b2 equals to coefficient of y in the second equation minus 6. c2 equals to constant term minus 15. Now we are going to compare a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, ratio of b1 b2. b1 by b2 is equals to minus 3 by minus 6. Minus cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 equal to 1 by 2 only. Next, c1 by c2 is equals to minus 15 by minus 5 by minus 15, minus cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 1 by 3. See here, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 equals to 1 by 3. Therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. But c1 by c2 equals 1 by 3, no? That's why not equals to c1 by c2. Therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. So this condition we know very clearly. These given equations are parallel lines. We have three conditions, no? If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, they are intersecting lines and consistent lines. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2 means they are parallel lines and inconsistent lines. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then they are coincident lines and consistent lines. They have infinitely many solutions. Okay, the given pair of equations are parallel lines and inconsistent. They don't have solution. Okay. Now graph plot for the equation. What is the first equation? 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. X, y equals to, from this given equation we are going to write y as subject. Minus 3y transfer to RHS side, it will change as plus 3y. Plus 3y equals to 2x minus 5 by 3 also transfer to that side. It divides 2x minus 5 by 3. Okay. Next, x comma y. X values we can take any values, that is your wish only. If we take x equal to 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3, minus 3 by 3 equals to minus 1 will come. So x equal to 1 we are going to take y equals to 2 into x equal to 1 minus 5 by 3 is equals to 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3, minus 3 by 3 equals to minus 1. If x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, so 1 comma 1, it's a solution. Next, x equal to, we are going to take 4, y equals to 2 into 4 minus 5 by 3. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 5 equals to 3, 3 by 3 equals to 1, 4 comma 1. Next, x equal to 5 by 2 we will take, y equals to 2 into 5 by 2, here we will do 2 into 5 by 2, 2 to cancel, no? So 5 minus 5, 0 will come. So 2 into 5 by 2 minus 5 by 3, 2 to cancel, no? 5 minus 5, 0, 0 by 3 equals to 0 will come. So 5 by 2 we can write to 2.5, no? 2.5 comma 0. So like this, any value we can take. But if you get whole numbers or integers, it will be easy to locate on the graph paper. That purpose, which value if we take will come second value is a integer, like that just you take care and take. Next, second one, for the equation, what is second one? 4x minus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. Here x. Next, y equals to, from the second equation, y equals to 4x minus 15 by 6 children minus 6y transfer to RHS side, it will change as plus 6y. Plus 6y equal to 4x minus 15. 6 also transfer to LHS side, it divides 4x minus 15. So 4x minus 15 by 6. Here x comma y. Okay. X values any we can take. Now we are going to take 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 15 equals to minus 3. So it will come. Right. X equal to, we are going to take 3. Y equals to 4 into x equal to 3 minus 15 by 6. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 15 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 by 6 equal to 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6 equal to minus 1 by 2 children. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. We can write now. So 3 comma minus 1 by 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 15 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 by 6. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. So minus 1 by 2 minus 0.5. Okay. Next, minus 4 we should take. Y equals to 4 into minus 4 minus 15 by 6. 4 4 ja 16 minus 15 by 6 minus 16 minus 15 is equals to 4 4 ja 16 minus 16 minus 15 is equals to minus 31 by 6 will come, children. So minus 31 by 6 means 4 into minus 4 minus 15 by 6. 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus 15 by 6 equal to minus 31 by 6 means approximately, children, minus 5.2 we can take, minus 5.2. So minus 4 comma minus 5.2. Next we are going to take x equal to 0, y equals to 4 into 0 minus 15 by 6 is equals to 4 into 0 0 0 minus 15 equals to 15 by 6 means so approximately we will get, children, 15 by 6 means 6 2s are 12, 3.0, 6 5s are 30. So minus 2.5 will come, children, 0 comma minus 2.5. These are the required points to draw the lines on the graph paper. Now, children, graph part. This is the graph part, children. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. On the x axis, from the origin, right side positive integers, left side negative integers. From the on the y axis, from the origin, first equation, the points are 1 comma minus 1. Here 1. Next minus 1 where is, children? Here, right. Next second point is 4 comma 1. 4 here, 1 here, children. Next 2.5 comma 0. Here y coordinate 0, no? It will be on x axis at 2.5 means here, children. Now this scale. Okay, children, join these lines, these points by using the scale like this, children. Right, this line name is 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. Next, second equation points are 3 comma minus 0.5. 3 here, minus 0.5 means here, children, minus 0.5. Next minus 4 comma minus 5.2. Minus 4 here, minus 5.2 means downside, minus 5 here, 5.2 means after 2 lines. So where it will be, so approximately here, children, right. Next 0 comma minus 2.5. It will be on y axis at minus 2.5 means here 2, here 3, between minus 2.5. Now join these points. Right, this is second one. Just cross it came here, small error. Okay, this one equation is 4x minus 6y minus 15 equals to 0. These are the parallel lines, children. So they are not intersecting these two lines, that's why they don't have any solution.